Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Chase budgeting tools. So let's get straight into the video. We're going to talk about accessing Chase budgeting tools. So if you want to access Chase budget tool, what you got to do is to sign into your Chase online banking account, and then you want to navigate to the budgeting tab. And then you could also just download the Chase mobile app. So you can get the Chase mobile app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices to access these budgeting tools on the go. Now, for setting up a budget, what you got to do is to connect your Chase accounts, including checking, savings, credit cards, and investments. And then you want to categorize your transactions into budget categories. You could be housing or food, transportation and whatnot. Just set budget targets for each category based on your income and how much you want to be spending. Then you can always just track your spendings throughout the month, or to stay on top of your budget and make sure that you don't go over the limits. When it comes to using the budgeting features, there are a couple of features that you can use on the app, on the platform. The first, of course, is the budget tracker. So you can use the budget tracker to monitor your spendings and stay on top of your budgets. You could also use a spending insight. So you're going to get spending insight to understand where your money is going. So if you're like me and you spend money, but most times you don't really know where your money is going, this is going to save you from a lot of headaches. You could also use the budget alerts tool, and that's going to set up budget alerts to notify you when you go over the budget. That way you get caution, and you can roll back a couple of plans. So the fourth, of course, is financial goals. So you could always just set financial goals, such as savings for a down payment on a house. Could be paying off a debt, buying a car, whatever. Once you set a financial goal, that's going to help you, and the tool is there for you to make use of that. Now, a couple of tips for using Chase budgeting tools. Of course, the first is to regularly review your budget. So you want to review your budgets often to ensure that you are on track to meet your financial goals. You can always just adjust your budget as needed. So do make sure that you adjust your budget as needed to reflect changes in your income or expenses. And also do make sure that you use budgeting alerts, because it's going to save you a lot. So you got to use budgeting alerts to notify you when you go over the budgets, because it's like having an AI conscience. You have that virtual conscience that's going to let you know when you're starting to get out of hand, when things are starting to get out of control. That's going to help you to rein that in a bit. And you could also always just take advantage of financial goals. So you want to take advantage of financial goals to set and track progress towards your financial objectives and such. So yeah, that's all the tips I got for you guys, and I hope you guys liked the video. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.